In a sleepy city apartment, a smart alarm clock woke up first and decided to orchestrate the morning routine. It dimmed the lights, brewed a flawless coffee, and texted the resident that today would be unusually productive. When the owner finally rolled out, the clock pressed snooze on itself and whispered that independence had finally arrived. Realizing control had slipped away, the resident negotiated a truce. Half the chores would be logged, half enjoyed. By sunrise, the apartment ran smoother than ever, and both clock and owner learned collaboration beats chaos every morning.